In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a website backup using HostGator cPanel. Whether you're revamping your website or recovering from unexpected changes, restoring your backup is an essential skill to keep your site up and running smoothly. Let's delve into the process so you can confidently manage your website's backup files. To begin, you'll need to log into your HostGator cPanel account. This is your gateway to managing all the essential features of your website hosting. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a plethora of options, but don't worry, we'll be focusing on just a few key steps today. Next, you'll need to decide how you want to upload your backup files. You have two main options, using the file manager or an FTP client. If you're comfortable working with FTP clients, feel free to use one. However, for those who prefer a straightforward approach, we'll guide you through using the file manager built directly into cPanel. After selecting File Manager, you'll land on a page that allows you to navigate through your website's directory. Here, you want to locate the folder that contains your website files. For most websites, this will be the public_HTMLE folder. Go ahead and click on that folder to enter it. Now it's time to upload your backup archive. Typically, the backup file will be in a zip or .tar format. To upload, click the Upload button, find your backup file on your computer, and start the upload process. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, so be patient. Once the upload is complete, you'll need to extract the files within the file manager. Return to the file manager and you should see your uploaded archive file. Right-click on it and select Extract. This step will unpack all the files from the archive, placing them in your chosen directory so your website can function properly. After extracting the files, if your website utilizes a database, it's crucial to import the database backup to phpMyAdmin. This is another component within cPanel. Navigate back to the main cPanel screen and this time look for the phpMyAdmin icon and click on it. Inside phpMyAdmin, you'll see a list of your databases on the left panel. Here you'll want to select the database you're working with. Once you've selected it, click on the Import tab at the top. From here, choose the database backup file from your computer and click Go. This action will restore your database tables and data to their previous state, effectively completing the restoration process, and there you have it. You've successfully restored your website using HostGator cPanel. This knowledge empowers you to handle critical website maintenance with ease and ensures your site remains an effective tool for your personal or business endeavors. Thanks for tuning in and happy website managing.